Wait, can I press it? Sure. No, not that one! We're all doomed! I'm only kidding. I can't believe you did that to me. I can't believe you fell for it. I'm so going to get married. Look! I have the gerbils again. My littlest brother and future sister-in-law have gone on holiday and I'm on babysitting duties. So with that in mind, it's now time for another...
What are we doing again? Feeding the gerbils with what?
No. Ah, poor Fred.
Don't puff with me. I have scratches all over and I'm mentally scarred for life.
It was fucking funny.
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. I wasn't talking to you.
Talking of the gerbils, it reminds me of another problem I have when it comes to filming in and around the house.
Gerbil poop.
I think someone wants to go back in the cage.
I'm just going to go check on the time machine.
The gerbils make quite a racket when they're playing on the wheel or eating stuff. And they eat a lot. So what I'm talking about is the problem of the noises that occur everywhere. Such as banging, lawn mowers, cars driving past, which sometimes includes bin lorries, people passing, shouting and laughing, it's blooming raining yet again. I'm fed up with it bloody raining. It's always constantly bloody raining in this bloody country. I bloody hate it. I bloody tell you. Father's scraping his toenails.
What?
The fridge, which I have to turn off for filming. Rain. Dogs barking. Helicopters. And aeroplanes. Someone being eaten by the man-eating tree. A disgruntled tiger.
Now, Tammy, I'm sure the man-eating tree will let you have an arm or a leg.
All this noise can disrupt filming. It's rather annoying. Like him.
Like me what?
See?
Hey Fred! What? What do you call a turd in a blender? A Fred! I don't get it.
I do. It's fucking funny.
My point is that a lot of videos on YouTube, mine especially, can be of poor quality because, like most, I don't have a movie camera, a sound booth, or control of the light. But the thing is, we get around it and that's how we learn. Well, I do. Mostly.
Why are you really talking about sound? You're up to something.
No, I'm not.
What's fed up of hearing you talk, Fred?
I'm just pointing out that I have a keen sense of hearing. Like, for example, I can hear Clone 1 messing about upstairs with the time machine in his quest for revenge. Luckily for me, there's a new security system put in to stop such a thing.
Can you do that to Fred? No, he can't.
Time for me to go. Please check out my other show, Smeg Chris Review, my latest short film, Top 10 Hotel Tips, and also my vlogs that are on my second channel. And if you like, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter by clicking those links below in the description. Until the next time, peace out.
Hey Fred! Fred, hey! I'm not listening. Hey Fred! Fred, hey! Have you seen Knife? Back scratcher! Back scratcher!
Talking of the gerbils, it reminds me of another problem I have when it comes to filming in and around. Shh. Thank you. I like it. Time for me to go. Please check out my other show, Smeg Chris Review. Also my shortest film. Got it right. I got it.